You guys notice anything different about my car? Yep, the whole ground effects kit has been pinstriped. As you guys know, I've already done a lot of mods to my 2015 Audi A4. In terms of aero mods, I installed a gloss black front splitter, gloss black rear diffuser, gloss black side skirt extensions, and gloss black rear bumper extensions. And they look pretty cool, but here's how to make them even better. And today I'm going to be installing this. So this is a colored pinstripe kit. This is going to enhance the overall look, and I think it looks really cool on a lot of cars. The process of installing this is really easy. Let me show you how I did it. First step is to thoroughly clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. Next step is to peel the backing off the vinyl strip and start applying it to the car. A quick tip is to keep it nice and taut without overstretching it, and it'll make the install a lot easier. And then I just proceeded by doing it every 4 to 5 inches. Once I reached the end, I just cut the vinyl to size and wrapped it around the AERO piece. And now I'm just going to repeat the same process for each AERO piece. Okay, so for the front of the car, I did the front lip, of course. So my front lip is actually 3 pieces. So I had to cut right here and tuck them in, but they still worked out really fine. I did get a little carried away and I did the front grille all along the inside lip. I thought it was too much, so I ended up just ripping it off. Okay, let's go to the side. So there's a side skirt extension. That was pretty straightforward, looks really good, matches well with my caliper covers, and I had some extra that I also did on my carbon fiber mirrors. Okay, let's go to the back. There's my rear bumper extension, and here is the diffuser. So the diffuser was a little tricky. There's a couple different ways I could have done this. I did this for now, but I'll probably change it up and I might just do one individual strip all along it. But I do love the way that the diffuser fins do have a stripe. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'll keep this. But overall, I really love the way this looks. And it only cost, what, 10 bucks? Pretty good deal. And the car looks so much better. Well, there you have it. I hope you like the new look of the car. This little mod really enhances the overall look and gives it a splash of color. Well, that's it for me. I'll see you next time.